So, this is how to use green screen in CapCut on PC. Fast and easy. First, you'll need to import both your background clip and your green screen clip into your project. Then simply drag the background clip to the bottom track on the timeline, where it'll serve as your new scene. Next, take your green screen clip and place it right above on a higher track so they're stacked properly. Now with everything in place, select the green screen clip and head over to the video tab on the right side of your screen. Once there, look for and switch to the Remove BG tab, which contains all the Chroma Key options you'll need. Enable the Chroma Key feature and use the handy color picker tool to select the exact color you want to remove, which is green in this particular case. As soon as you do this, CapCut will instantly remove the selected color from your clip, revealing the background underneath. If you happen to still see a bit of green fringing around the edges of your subject, just gently adjust the intensity slider until everything looks nice and clean. Take a moment to play it back from the beginning to see how your final result looks in action. And just like that, you've successfully used the green screen feature in CapCut. It really is that straightforward. Was this quick guide helpful? Leave a like and see you in the next video.